Rob with the Doctor's Toy Store, Microaire Repair. If you need your Microaire fixed and it's a 600, no one will fix them. We do, we have parts for them. We'll take the old Microaire 600s, we have the parts. We also can repair the cords most of the time, and the boxes of course. So if you have any issues, don't throw them out. We repair them at the Doctor's Toy Store. We'll also buy them for excess or used store credit. We also can replace certain pieces if the springs pop out. Sometimes it's the problem right here where the springs fall apart, or the connectors inside here. We can replace those, repair those. We can do repairs no one else can. So if you have a Microaire you need to repair, a Vaser, PowerX, Lasonics, call the Doctor's Toy Store, 877 DRS Toys.